by the title of this video, you probably know what I'm about to talk about. The movie theater here at Broadway is being demolished. Let's go take a peek. We're not going to see a movie. We're going to go that way, around Broadway at the beach, because it's a big loop. Here's a movie theater. As a teenager, I used to come here a lot before the new mall opened up and the newer theater was here. This was recently purchased by AMC, but it's kind of funny. The Carmike logo is still up there. But there's a good timestamp to let you know when this video is taken. Wonder Woman, Spider-Man, Dark Tower. Has a special place in my heart because I frequented this establishment when I was younger. Saw a lot of movies here. That fan still spinning in the background. Curious what's going to be happening here, especially with this building alongside it. This was the Magi Quest. Originally it was the Butterfly Pavilion, but there seems to be activity within that building as well as the demolition of the movie theater. So there's definitely something in store for the future. What it is, only speculation. If you have any ideas or heard any rumors, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think or what you've heard, and you guys can discuss. If you're wondering where this movie theater was, right over there is the Quickie Mart and the Aztec Theater for The Simpsons 4D. And this building here was the IMAX theater, which it's now a theater which shows a magic show. And the miniature golf course is right over here, which looks like, ooh, has this closed as well? Let's take a peek, I'm curious. Maybe they were just rebuilding it. All right, well, it's closed at the moment. If we zoom into this sign, it's really hard to read. I cannot read it from here. I believe it says it's closed for renovations. So I'm not sure if Dragon's Lair is permanently closed, but at the moment, it is due to all this demolition activity going on around it. This building has seen better days for sure. Like I mentioned, it was a Butterfly Pavilion, then it was Magi Quest, and then it was a haunted house seasonally. Oh, let's see. Oh, someone actually wrote RIP Magi. And no longer the entrance. It's all locked up. Anyway, that was a quick overview of the demolition going on at Broadway at the beach. The movie theater is going away. Dragon's Lair is closed at the moment for renovations. And I'll come back periodically and update everybody on the goings-ons at Broadway at the beach with their continuous demolition and construction. It's ongoing. Every year it's something different. Keeps it fresh. Anyway, until next time, everybody, take it easy.